What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Bread. It is 11 o'clock. I just woke up. My shirt is all freaking wrinkly. I'm still in my pajama pants, and I'm going to get my beautiful girlfriend some Starbucks. So we are starting the day off the right way. So I'm sure a lot of you guys remember, and if you don't remember, let me refresh your memory real quick. So about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I posted a video. I got some tires from work. They were just gonna be thrown away. 325, 50, 22, or in simple people terms, they're 35, 12, 50 Nitto trail graps. I got them from work. They were just gonna toss them out. So I said, hell, let me try and put them on the Tahoe and see if they'll fit. So long story short, I put them on the Tahoe one day, and I'll insert that clip here so you guys can see it. Not anymore. Dang, that looks so clean. Now obviously the beads aren't seated. I was having some issues getting these aired up, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at what this would look like. And that looks, damn. We'd have to cut like here and here. And that's obviously it's jacked up, so it's a little more height, but come on now. Come on now. It looks good. Obviously they didn't fit. They were definitely way too big. So I took them off and I kind of posted them on Instagram, see if anybody wanted them, because I had no use for them. They weren't gonna fit on the Tahoe. And I had a subscriber hit me up. His name is Jacob. And we're meeting Jacob today to go drop off the tires. So when Jacob first messaged me, Jacob did not have a truck. He drove, I wanna say it was a Mustang, he said. Jacob had a Mustang and he wanted to, honestly, he didn't care about the tires, what they look like, the tread, nothing. He just wanted to come meet me and be on the channel. And I said, hell, if you're willing to make the drive, you know, let's freaking do it. And that's what we're doing today. I'm super excited to meet Jacob. He actually bought a truck last night, and he's driving that truck here to come pick up these 35s for me that are in the back of the truck back here. So I'm super excited. Christina's coming. You see the Tahoe sitting over there. We're headed to the tent shop to meet Jacob. I believe he's already there, so I need to hurry up and get there. Jacob, I will see you soon. I'm so excited. Had to stop and get some beer for the boys at the shop before we head over. I think that's him. Right there, look at him! Jacob! Let's see where they're gonna come from. Jacob! This is so crazy. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm really excited. Oh no, oh no! All right, so we're gonna ride around to Zach's shop. I just told him to follow me, so we're gonna try and make it through this. Like, what's going on up here? Like, Best Buy really can't be that busy right now. Are you serious? I'm just, what's going on here? Zach, what you doing? What's going on? Even though you can't hear me. Hold on. I got your stuff. Yeah. Damn. No, not drugs. What's up? How's it going?
Yo, your stuff's dumb.
Nice to meet you. Hold on, I gotta do something real quick. He wanted me to. Uh-oh. 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 You like my Modelo camera stand?
Yeah, it's weird.
Even though it's bouncing back and forth?
Dang, bro.
Oh, so your friend bought the car?
Yeah, my friend bought my car from me because I found this truck like that night. And so I was like, yo, I gotta go buy it.
So like I said, Jacob, right?
Yes, sir.
Jacob had a Mustang, and he sold it last night and drove the truck to it. Where are you from?
West Point.
West Point, I have no idea where that's. Isn't that like halfway between here and Columbus?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Jacob's from West Point. Sold the Mustang last night. Brought this beautiful. I think it's nice. I don't care what anybody says. Beautiful cat eye to the tent shop today. because he wanted some tires. So let's, here, let me, one of them has some water in it. I feel kind of bad.
You could have made it easier if you would have just like backed up the trucks together.
So, actually this one's got some, it rained last night.
I needed you to sign that water bottle.
I can.
I don't know if I want it anymore.
I've never had somebody ask me for a signature or for an autograph before, so that'd be really weird.
You have a marker?
I think I got a Sharpie in the truck actually.
No. We're gonna find some straight up.
That's on it, like that's y'all forget. Y'all forget. I'm a normal ass guy. Like I'm not, you know.
We're gonna get him to sign the middle console, I swear.
I'm a normal ass dude. These are your what y'all think? I know it'll clear in the back. You'll be scraping the back, but I mean the front maybe not. Yeah, I don't know about the front. Hey, I don't care. I'd send it. I'd send it. Yeah,
I don't know about holding the camera. Quick, come hold the camera.
What do y'all can hold the camera? So tell me one more time what you want me to. I'm pretty sure. Actually, wow, that's crazy. Please tell me what you want me to do.
Just come sign the middle console.
Oh man, look at me bumping into my own.
Right here, right here, bro. Right here.
So you want me to sign the truck?
Sign the middle console of the truck. Yes.
I'm not gonna. This is crazy. Like I've never. This is beyond. What do I even sign on there?
Yeah, whatever you want to write, bro. Go ahead.
Dang. So I guess I should say right now, if I ever thought, because I kind of feel like I know what I'm gonna sign. If I was ever gonna change the bread gang, I can't do that now because I have to put hashtag bread gang or something on there.
There you go.
So, damn, I'm so you sure?
Yeah, bro, go ahead.
I'm so nervous. Jeez. Where's Zach at? Zach! I gotta tell Zach about it.
10 out of 10.
Zach, where you at? Hey, come here.
Oh, it's such a deep right here.
That's so crazy. You like that?
Yeah. It's a bigger one.
You need to get one of those.
I definitely do.
Dang. It's so clean on the inside too.
Yeah, I bought some Jamaican guy.
Hell yeah. Hey, come here. Come here.
I was literally up this way last night when I bought this truck.
Really?
Yeah, I bought it from him.
He wants me to sign. So let me explain the story.
Zach, you signed it too while you at it.
So
yeah.
Why me?
He wants us
Why
to
not?
sign the truck.
If Christina was here, she could sign it too.
So
shit. I
so
mean, these guys are cool. I'm not.
Oh.
So the tires that are in the back of the truck, we tried to put them on the Tahoe. They didn't fit.
Okay.
I kind of jokingly put it out there somebody could have them if they wanted them, and he immediately messaged me, and he came. He's like an hour and a half from from West Point.
Damn.
And he came and he got the tires today because he wanted to come, you know, meet me and be on the channel, which again blows my mind. But he wants me to sign. I thought you wanted me to sign like
really not
something.
Oh.
He wants me to sign the truck. Now you're signing the truck too.
Fuck yeah, dude. I mean, our signatures can be famous one day.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know about that, but
Hey,
what should I do? Like
Worth a try.
Bread Gang?
Bills on eBay.
Hashtag Bread Gang or
Fuck yeah, dude. Of course.
should I do that white bow tie? Hashtag Bread Gang?
Bread gang.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. What do you want me to do? Oh wow!
Oh, cheated. Just make it easier on you guys.
All right, let's go back. Let's hear. I'm gonna do it on the back of your truck too. This is all going in the video, by the way.
Wait, you're throwing these on this?
Yeah.
I feel like
Eventually, like not right away. But
Yeah.
I get
free,
one
man.
shot at this. One shot. So, you want to sign it first? I'm scared.
Oh dang, you're recording all this?
Yeah.
I'm like throwing F-bombs and...
Oh, it doesn't.
Okay, cool.
Dang, I'm so like. Oh, I'm scared. Look at me. I'm like, I can't even. What are you doing?
Be nervous. Dang, you spelled it wrong already.
Yeah, I did. I put the dot. God dang it, I actually did.
Oh shit, I was
No!
That is content right there, dude.
I've never written better in my entire life. That's freaking baller right there.
Where's your signature at?
That's it. I don't need to sign it.
Okay.
That's me signing it.
What should I do? big old dick.
So this needs to be your thing from now on. If you meet any like really cool people,
Oh yeah, definitely.
They gotta sign you.
Pop it off and just be like, hey, you want to sign this for
I
me?
guess I do have a YouTube going.
You do have a
just
YouTube channel.
Don't update it and all that.
You've seen him from the videos, haven't you?
Yeah.
See?
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Hell yeah. I mean, I guess I am in a lot of your
You're
videos.
famous. When you need window tint, you know where he's coming?
Hell yeah.
Drive an hour and a half for some tint.
You know, I actually have a buddy of mine that's gonna drive from South Carolina to get
Cool.
tint done.
That's all you need.
That's crazy.
That's about $500,000 right there.
Half a
The
mil.
smiley face would be
That's
about-
That's I feel like no, because my signature's not good enough to sign. I feel like
Write it right
simple
here.
and sweet.
You want me to-
That's
you want me
all.
to-
Just go
Little
ahead and
scribble.
do it. Full send.
I'm gonna go. Because nobody knows my real name, so.
Damn,
Is it
Shazam.
Edward?
Edward Alexander
No
Rubis.
shit. How did I get Edward out of that?
So Edward Alexander Rubis that's my real name.
He's Asian eyes, boy.
Most people don't even know what my real name is, so it's kind of crooked, but
We're not gonna put this on there. We're just gonna let it dry until we get home.
Not fair enough.
Hopefully it'll be dry enough to like,
I feel
Keep it.
that's
It's kind of like well, smudged a little bit, but
Nah,
it's
it's
kind of
fine.
faded a little bit.
Thanks for letting me sign
Yeah,
that,
of
man.
course, bro.
That's so crazy. I gotta
That's
like
gonna be legendary one day. Seriously, if you do what you said,
my
go around
first
and get,
ever
like,
my first ever autograph. That's my first
No
autograph
way.
ever in my life. Yeah, I thought he was
That's
joking.
And I got to witness it.
That's why I wanted you to come over here so you could be a part of it.
Well, there you go.
Part of history.
We gotta get some good ass pictures while we're here. Damn, that's so great. I can't get over that. Dude, hell yeah.
Wow,
Dude, that
fuck
made
with
my
you,
day
man.
right there. Fuck. We gotta get some good ass pictures of that. I'm getting to drive the truck too. I like the black ice that he's got in here. I miss being in an old truck, man. I really do. Where are we gonna park it at? I don't know. I'm gonna be driving the truck. Don't know how to act. Backing up the truck. Boom. Look who it is. See, I told y'all she might show up. What up, bae? That's so cool.
You should draw bread.
Draw a slice of bread on it.
Something like that. It kind of looks like a house.
I'm showing the boys some unuploaded content for tonight.
You cannot come outside. No, you cannot. Well, this video is starting off. Wow, it's kind of dark. Is it raining? Please tell me it's not raining. Yes, it is raining.
All right. So, the moment you've all been waiting for, well, actually, the moment me and Jacob have been waiting for, it's time for him to get some 35s on his sweet peach of a little truck over here. Unfortunately, we're not putting the 35s on today, which that would be really freaking awesome for the video. I was really looking for one. You had a Mustang, right? Yeah. I was really looking forward to him coming with the Mustang and us trying to fit 4 tires on the Mustang somehow. I was really looking forward to that. I'm not gonna lie. But even better, we got to see his new truck. He got to be on the channel. I signed my first autograph, and he gets some newish tires for his truck. So I think we all came out with this bread today. We all got this bread today. That's all that matters, as I'm trying not to get my shirt dirty, and we're gonna put the tires into the back of his truck. All right, stop. Hell yeah. See? Oh. Some big tires.
But then you're like, do that one down. And it's like,
We still gotta grab that one. We'll use that one for the thumbnail. Down there. My man's officially got some 35s, some dirty 5s. That means you gotta get 22s now.
I don't think I have much of a choice.
Yeah. So those are a 35 by 13 actually. They're a little bit wider than a 1250. Yeah, it says it right on the side. 35 by 13. Bam. So what do y'all think? I fuck with it. I think you need to throw the 35s on it just like this. 35, 1250s, No lift.
No lift?
No lift. You'd have to cut like all of the truck, all the fenders, all the everything. I don't know if I would do all that, but 35 1250s, no lift. I like it. It would look, yeah, just for the gram. Like if you were gonna get different wheels and tires, I feel like that would be the move. Would definitely just throw those on like that and ride it out for a little while. Hell, you're probably wider than I am. Actually, I don't know. What's crazy is I think my truck might be just as wide. That's crazy. That I'm not gonna measure because I'd hurt some feelings. Not their feelings, but some of you guys might have some hurt feelings if I was still wider. Handyman Zach. Heck yeah. Heck yes. Being all proper. Hell yes.
Hey, this is how you save money.
Zach's making a desk right now. I'm excited to see when it's done.
Dude, it's gonna look so good, man.
Looks good now.
You look very modern.
You look good. Oh, hey. Bam, got to. Hell yeah. And they're coming back this week to get the 5% windshield tint. We're starting a revolution. 5% windshield tint. This is the second person. This is the second person I've had come through your shop to get 5% windshield tint.
You're getting 5% windshield tint?
Yeah. Wait, I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask. Huge shout out to the boys for coming through, picking up the tires. I know they will be very well used with them, especially once the lift kit comes on, but I secretly am kind of hoping they throw them on with no lift or anything like that, which is probably gonna be the title of this video, because that's what I'm hoping for. 35 1250s, no lift, no scrubbing. Actually, that's not really possible, but bye, Zach. Bye-bye. Gotta love that guy. EXZACT Customs. Y'all follow EXZACT Customs on Instagram. Go follow my boy. They do great shit. Great shit. Off they go into the world with their 35s. Damn, huge shout out to Jacob and his friend. That was one of the coolest experiences of my entire life. My first ever autograph. And I think he's actually gonna, you know, have as many YouTubers or anything, whatever he decides to do. I think he's gonna keep getting people to sign his middle console. But that was one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me, and I'm so glad I got to share it with these guys. Again, huge shout out to the boys for coming through. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy some Bojangles and get this bread like we always do, because we always do that. That's what we do. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get this bread.